So hi everyone, welcome to my channel Future Tech with Navdeep. In this video, I am going to provide you the ultimate roadmap to start your career in data science and to become a applied data scientist. So guys, starting a career in data science not only puts you at technology front but also promises high salaries. As a data scientist, your journey starts with the fundamentals in mathematics, statistics, and programming language. So, guys, in statistics, understanding data distribution, probability theory, and statistical inference is very crucial for a data scientist. In mathematics, you should learn linear algebra, matrices, and vectors. They are very important. So how can you learn all these skills? So you can find many free courses on Coursera where you can learn statistics for machine learners or maybe the mathematics for machine learning. So you can do those courses. The next thing is you should learn the fundamentals of machine learning, like what is the supervised, unsupervised learning, what are models, what is feature engineering, and more fundamentals. And then you see here, these are few very important machine learning algorithms that every data scientist should know, like linear regression, logistic regression, k-means clustering, random forest. What next? So guys, the next is the programming language. Undoubtedly, the Python is the most important programming language for a data scientist. So in Python, you can learn all these packages like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, TensorFlow. These are very important libraries for a data scientist. And what next? The next is SQL query. Every data scientist should learn how to write an efficient SQL queries. This is the next skill that you should have in your profile. So guys, these were the basic skills that every data scientist should have. But what about if you want to advance your career and want to become applied data scientist? Then you should learn advanced skills such as deep learning, neural networks. And also you have to delve into the world of big data. Learning frameworks like Spark and Hadoop can make you stand out in the market. And finally, upgrading yourself to the new era, that is generative AI and LLMs, and how to integrate them in your real world application can give you the edge over the others. Finally, applying your skills to the real world and bridging a gap between the theory and practical is very important. For that, you can visit this website kaggle.com. So kaggle.com provides a lot of real-time data set that you can explore and write your ML code. So being a data scientist is a continuous learning. You have to continuously learn in this field. So from where you can learn, so there are many online websites like Coursera, edX, Udacity. They provide you a lot of specialized courses on machine learning. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the like button below. Thank you for liking it. Stay tuned for learning future technology with me.